Yes, the title is correct. And I'll get into that more here in a minute. This is a sad day for me. And as you know, I love Thrive Life products. It's not only that I'm a consultant for Thrive Life, I have been buying Thrive Life for years. I just want to tell you a little bit about my journey with Thrive Life. I have tried, I think, every product, every brand almost. I'm not going to say everyone because there's some I probably don't even know or am aware of, but I've tried lots and lots of freeze-dried and dehydrated foods from other companies like Augustin Farms. A lot of places in Walmart you can buy Augustin Farms, Emergency Essentials, Mountain House. Gosh, I can't even think of all of them. And I've bought their product and I've tried them and I've stored some of them and I still have some of them. And but I came across Thrive Life, gosh, probably, I don't know. I was still in my sticks and bricks. And I was watching videos from this company and from other YouTubers that were consultants. And so I thought, well, I should try it. And so slowly but surely I was buying small cans. One of the things I love about Thrive Life is their small cans. The other thing, obviously, is their freshness and their minimal ingredients. This is the corn. Y'all seen this, me eat this just right out of the can. So good. Just their quality of their product and the freshness, the minimal ingredients, everything just changed everything I thought about freeze-dried foods and dehydrated foods. So I've been wanting to, probably for the last year, I've been buying pretty much monthly in their delivery service and trying all their products. And I finally decided it took me a long time to decide that I wanted to do videos about Thrive Life, just because some people were like, ooh, it's so expensive and this and that. You know, they have all these excuses. And I just finally decided, yeah, I wanted to do it and start cooking with it because, you know me, I love to cook. And I wanted to start cooking more with freeze-dried foods and share it with y'all. And I thought, well, I love this product so much that I should become a consultant. And 2 months ago, I've only been a consultant for 2 months about right now. And so I signed up to be a consultant, and to sign up to be a consultant with Thrive Life, you pay $40. It's not like you just say, hey, yeah, pick me. I mean, it's not a lot of money, but I decided to sign up as a consultant and to start selling the product and talking about the product because I'm wholeheartedly stand behind the product. The product is awesome. You know, this tomato sauce, I've made pizzas, I've made meatballs, sandwiches with this. Anything you use a tomato, spaghetti, anything you can use a tomato sauce. This is the best. You spoon a few tablespoons out and make you some sauce, and you don't waste it. I just love that. I also thought, wow, I could make a little bit of money selling this product. And if you know me and you've been following me very long, I've been on YouTube for 10 years, and I think I've done 2 product reviews. It's not like I just jump out there and stand behind any product. I think one was Jace Case, and the other one was a knife review. I made no money off of either one of those. They did send me the product, but this, I wanted to make a little bit of extra money selling it and just show you how good this product was. So yesterday I got a text and Facebook. Well, let me back up a little bit. Since I've been a consultant, I have been amazed at the people and the company and how much they love their consultants. Every Monday we have a Zoom call, and the president of the company would get on the Zoom call and tell us about new things coming out, things that were happening, the tariffs that were coming, how do you deal with this with your customers, just kind of kept the consultants up to speed for everything. It was just amazing. I'm like, wow, who does this with their consultants? And then on Wednesdays, they did a Zoom call of, it was like motivational people, speakers. We'd watch a video or something. One of them was Steve Jobs. One of them was Mel Robbins. And we would talk about it. And it was kind of like a pep talk, go get them, And a lot of people, they've been Thrive Life consultants for over 15 years. And they know the business in and out. And I was learning so much from all of them, and how to use the product and how to sell the product. I'm not one to push something on somebody, but if I believe in something, I'm going to tell you about it, I guess. And this corn is to die for, and the sauce is to die for, and everything else that I've tried is really, really good. So yesterday, it's not unusual that they're going to do a Zoom call, but yesterday about noon, I got a text and a Facebook notification saying, important Thrive Life, important Zoom call, please attend. And I was like, whoa. So we had just finished the puzzle. And so I got on the Zoom call, and I was about 5 or 10 minutes late getting on. And the Zoom call was probably only 15 minutes long. And they notified all the consultants that Thrive Life was closing their doors. I was just like, what? I just started this endeavor, and I brought it to y'all. And so now I have to eat crow. No. They didn't tell us a whole lot about why or what, and me being such a new consultant and not knowing all the people and the business side of Thrive Life, was just learning about it. They just sent me a pamphlet describing parts of that, and anyway, they basically just said the Thrive Life is closing the doors August 31st. Then they also said there's going to be a big sale on coming Monday, so if you want to get your hands on some Thrive Life, do it next week. So anyway, they said there would be another email coming out, or there would be an email coming out to the consultants minimally explaining what we are to expect. And I thought, might as well just read you the email. I won't read you all of it, but apparently Thrive Freeze Dry, I guess is the name of the company, has undergone several organization transactions in recent months. Obviously, I'm not aware of that because I wasn't a consultant then. And these changes have afforded our new leadership team. So apparently they've done a shift in leadership. And as a result of this evaluation, it is with heavy hearts that we must inform you of the difficult decisions to discontinue Thrive Life as a brand and direct sales entity, with closures taking effect on August 31st, 2025. It says more details will be coming in regards to sale discounts of Thrive products via email in the next day or two. So I will be getting another email about the coming sales. I may or may not do a video on that. because at this point you're probably like, why should I buy any now? If you have become a customer of mine, yes, I have received several customers, and I thank you for that. And I was so excited for y'all that y'all were getting a great product. And in the future, you would be getting great product that you could store for long term, or you could eat or work into your meals. I was excited for you. And now I'm sad for you that, number one, you can't purchase it anymore after August 31st. To my customers, I thank you so much. And you might not see this video, or you might not. So I will be emailing all my customers an email stating that, so y'all aren't blindsided, because Thrive Life says they will also email their customers, my customers, and telling them about the sale and also about the closure of Thrive Life. I will probably still be making videos of Thrive Life and showing it on YouTube. You just won't have a link to be able to purchase it because they won't exist anymore. You gotta try the corn. You have until August 31st to purchase any Thrive Life product you would like. So I am gonna make one huge order when the sale comes out, and I gotta get some more of this, and I think I'm gonna buy it in the number 10 can, the corn. That's so good. So sad. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but Thrive Life is no more. And if you still want to get some before they close their doors, order. There's a link below. Order before August 31st. I'll see y'all in the next video.